guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is going to be a cook with me type video, and my husband's going to be joining me on this one, so I'm really excited about that. And I know you guys have been really into the DIY videos lately, so I thought maybe this type of video would be kind of interesting because it's kind of like a DIY where we're learning new techniques and new recipes along the way. And I would love to include a little bit more cooking on my channel. Not a lot, just a little bit. So if you're interested in seeing that, please keep watching. So I want to say thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring this video and giving us the chance to try their delivery service. And we really found it super helpful for, like, you know, those nights when you just know it's going to be crazy hectic. You won't have time to plan a meal, run to the grocery store, and you really don't want to run your family through the drive-through. Well, that's when I think this Home Chef would come in handy, because it's super simple. You just jump on their site and they have 17 different weekly food options, and you can put in if you have any dietary restrictions, preferences, or allergies. That goes right into your taste profile, and that kind of filters out what you can't have. And each meal on their site will tell you the approximate prep and cook time, when you need to cook it up after you receive it, you know, within like 5-6 days. Also, it gives you the difficulty level. So if you're wanting really quick and easy meals, you can click easy. If you're wanting to challenge yourself a little bit and try something new, you can pick the intermediate or expert. And it also gives you the spice level of each meal, which is nice. So this is really cool because it comes right to your door and you don't even have to be home to receive it. They'll just leave it and it stays nice and cold because it comes packaged really nice with the foam inserts and the ice packs. And right when you open it up, it has the recipe cards of the meals that you ordered. So it comes in these bags, and we ordered 4 portions of each meal, and they come in these bags, and there's 2 servings in each bag. The meats are nice and frozen. We got the chicken and steak. It also comes with this recipe binder. So their recipe binder that they send you is where you're going to put the recipe cards that you get each time you receive your order, just to keep them organized and in the same place. And in that binder, it's just kind of welcoming you to Home Chef. And on the back, it shows you how to earn a $30 credit. And actually, for you guys, they gave me an awesome deal, and I believe it's their best offer so far. You will get $20 off your first 4 boxes for a discount of $80 total. And what's really nice is you don't have to buy them in consecutive weeks. Like if you want to skip a week, you will still get the $20 off your next box whenever you place that order. So this is the one we're cooking up tonight, the sirloin steak with balsamic sauce and fingerling potatoes with Brussels sprouts. And the recipe cards will show you from beginning to end, from when you open the bag, which I am showing you all the ingredients right now, step by step, what heat to put it at, wash your veggies. Every little step you need is in these recipe cards, all the way to the end on how to plate your food. And what I thought was pretty cool was the pricing is fairly reasonable when you think about having to take your family to a restaurant or to a drive-through. You're going to save money by using Home Chef, and it's a much healthier option. My husband and I like to cook. I do most of the cooking, but occasionally my husband, if he has time, he'll jump in the kitchen and do a little bit of experimenting or cook something up. But where I struggle is I don't like having the same things from week to week. I get bored of it, and I know my family does. And so I think it's awesome that the Home Chef site has so many ideas and meal options that you're not going to get bored. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. And don't forget, if you want to check out the Home Chef website, to click on the link in my description box to get your $20 off your first 4 orders. And also let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you guys want to see more of the cook with us videos, I can do some with my husband, and hopefully I can get a couple cook with me type videos with my kids in it if I can get them on camera. So anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye! And I want to say thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring this video and for letting us try their service.